Managing users in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage users in WordPress. Click the Users section. First, let's add a new user. Click the Add New link. Enter the username. Enter the first name. Enter the last name. Enter the email address. Enter the website address. This is where you can enter the URL to the user's personal website. This is not necessarily the address of the blog itself. This field is optional. Enter a password. Re-enter the password to confirm. Select the role. The role controls the level of access the user has to the blog. A full explanation of the access level given to each role can be found here. Click the Add User button. Now let's edit the user. Click the username. Let's select a new display name to use publicly. Click the Update User button. Click the Users section. Finally, let's delete the user. Click the checkbox. Select Delete from the menu. Click the Apply button. WordPress gives us the option to either delete the content entered by the user or attribute it to another user. If we didn't want to remove the content, we would select the new user here. Click the Confirm Deletion button. Congratulations! You now know how to manage users in WordPress.